Durable AI website builder tutorial, quick and easy. So go ahead and open your desktop browser and here type in Durable AI and go to the first result which says Durable AI website builder and small business software. This is how the homepage looks like. And as you can see, it says that you can build a website within 30 seconds. So this is actually a great tool and perfect solution for anyone who wants to start or scale their service business online. And as you can see here, after the AI generate the site, you can then edit it and customize parts of the site that you don't want and adjust elements in the page. Now, aside from the website itself, you can also have the analytics, the domain names, and a lot more that will be helpful in understanding your audience in the future. And it also has promotional materials like generate ads, social media posts, and sales emails to get more customers. So once you are in this page, just tap on this generate your website button. And this will direct you to another tab where you can input or choose from here what type of business you are building. Let's say I want to make a website for a cafe. So just select that and you can also use this generate ideas. This will basically suggest some business that you can make a website. And after this, just click on next. And the next thing that you need to do is to input your location. And lastly, the name of your business. Now, if you don't have any ideas on mind yet, you can use the AI tool again to get some name suggestions. So let's try this one. And as you can see, it provided some name for cafes that is actually pretty decent. So let's try to regenerate to have more options. And I think this mug and muffin caught my attention. So let's use this one. Now, after providing those three pieces of information, the AI will now start making your website from the color palette, the banner, the slogan, and even the menu, some positive feedbacks, and a lot more. As you can see, it only took less than 30 seconds to complete the site. So in my case, I honestly don't like this first page. So one thing that you can do to change this is to simply click on the regenerate button. And here, as you can see, the image, the wordings, the title, and the short statement was changed. So let's say that we want this image already, and I just want to change the title and this sentence. What we can do is to click on the drop down icon and then click on the content. After that, it will automatically change. You can do the same if you want to change the image. Click on the drop down icon and then click on the style. As you can see, even the alignment of the text was changed, which I personally like more. So I will now stop with this top section. Now, if you want to customize and edit the page more instead of the AI doing it, there's a customize button here on the upper right corner of the page. So simply tap on this and you will then be directed in this tab where you need to log in using an account. So I'll just sign up using my Gmail account and this may take a while, but after it's loaded, these edit sections will then be added. So what you need to do is to go to the section that you want to edit. So for example, this one, and then click on this edit button. As you can see, you can edit every element from the content like text. You can edit the words itself. So let's say you have a pre-made paragraph, just insert that here and you can then edit the style. You can change its alignment. You have these heading and normal text option. You can also make it bold and italicized and you can change its color. Now, aside from the text, you can also replace the image displayed in the section. So click on this replace and you can choose from Shutterstock images. You can also browse the images from Unsplash and you can also upload your own image if you have one. So just basically click on insert and it will then be displayed on your screen. Moving on to the styles tab, click on this and the first thing that you can edit here is the background color. So you can either choose and stick to the theme of your site. The durable AI provides different shades here And you can make it either solid or gradient. Or you can go to the custom tab. In here, you can either enter a specific hex code of the color that you want to use, or you can also use the color picker here to specific or to select a specific shade that you want. You can do the same with the accent color in your page. The next element here is the background image. If you want to add an image to the background like this one, you can see how the image occupies the whole section. Just turn this toggle on it's on the background image, and you can then upload images here. Or again, just choose from the images provided by Shutterstock or Unsplash. Now this layout is for the position and layout of your image and text. You can also turn this borderless image if you want the image to occupy the whole height of the page. And lastly, this alignment is for your text. Below that, you have additional settings for your images, such as its aspect ratio. You can also decide if you will put a round corner to your image. Here, you can choose what animation you want in that specific section. So just make sure that you will try everything out till you find what you want and what suits your website the best. And here below, you can decide on the speed of your animation. Now this one is for the spacing on top and on the bottom part of the section. Here you can put a divider. So just turn on this toggle, and if you click on this, you will actually have a lot of choices on what shape you want your divider to be. And the last one on the list is the border. You can see it here. And the last one on the list is the border. You can see it here once it's turned on. And personally, I don't like it. So let's leave it turned off. And of course, each section will have different settings and elements to adjust. So just run through each section and make sure that you have every content right. And another feature that is very helpful is this one. You can view it on tablet mode and phone mode. So make sure to adjust element in here as well. In this way, the website will look good in any device. Now let's assume that we are done editing this page. So click on this arrow icon to see the preview of the site, and just take note that this link will expire every 24 hours if you are not subscribed to their plan. But basically, this is how your website looks like. So that is how to use Durable AI Website Builder. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.